Good morning, students. Today's topic is type of unit cell. Type of unit cell, or chapter name is solid state. On the basis of atom present in unit cell is classified into two types. Broadly, it is classified into two types. First is primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. And second one is non-primitive unit cell or centered unit cell. Non-primitive unit cell is further classified into four types. First one is FCC, face-centered cubic unit cell. Second is BCC, body-centered cubic unit cell. Third one is end-centered cubic unit cell. And fourth one is edge-centered cubic unit cell. There are four types of centered unit cell, that is FCC, BCC, end-centered and edge-centered. One by one, we will discuss. First one is primitive unit cell, primitive or simple unit cell. The unit cell in which atoms are present at corner only. That is called simple unit cell. Suppose we can show the unit cell as two स्क्वायर बनाना आप लोगों ने 1 and 2. अब इसे कनेक्ट कर दो इसको इस कॉर्नर के साथ. सेकेंड वन इज थर्ड वन एंड फोर्थ वन. दिस इज कॉल्ड यूनिट सेल. एंड इफ द एटम्स इज प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर ओनली, जो एटम्स है अगर वो कहाँ पे हैं, कॉर्नर पे हैं, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज कॉल्ड simple unit cell or primitive unit cell. They are in touch like this. Atom or sphere is there. So we can show the atoms like a sphere. So this is called one atom or one sphere. So the size of atom is spherical. तो इस तरीके से हम शो करेंगे इसे. तो this is in contact with each other. Primitive unit cell means the unit cell in which atoms are present at corner only. This is called primitive unit cell, like this. So there are 8 corners. There are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 corners in one unit cell. Like a room. जैसे अपने घरों में रूम है, तो रूम में देखो 8 कॉर्नर होंगे आपके, तो सेम यूनिट सेल के साथ. नेक्स्ट वन इज सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल. सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल. Centered unit cell means the unit cell in which atoms are present at corner as well as the other part of unit cell. Other part of unit cell is called centered unit cell. Other part means देखो फर्स्ट है कि एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर. तो कॉर्नर में तो एटम्स प्रेजेंट होंगे ही होंगे. सपोज दिस इज अ यूनिट सेल, वन यूनिट सेल इज देयर एंड एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर. कॉर्नर में तो होंगे ही होंगे. तो देयर आर 8 कॉर्नर्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. एंड अदर पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिट सेल यहां है, इधर इधर, इस तरीके से. तो इट इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 4 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज FCC. FCC मींस फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. फेस centered cubic unit cell. Face centered means atoms are present, the unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of each face of unit cell is called FCC. Like this one. ये है आपके पास यूनिट सेल 1, 2 और इसको टच कर दो 1, 2, 3 and 4. Atoms are present at the corner. फर्स्ट है कॉर्नर में तो प्रेजेंट होंगे. देयर आर 8 corners and also present the center of each face. There are 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 faces. Face means this one is face 1, 2, 3, 4. ये face है. तो ये है क्या एक फेस. तो देयर आर 6 फेसेस इन 1 यूनिट सेल. मींस 8 कॉर्नर इज देयर इन 1 यूनिट सेल एंड 6 फेसेस आर प्रेजेंट इन 1 यूनिट सेल. तो फेस क्या है देखो, इट इज सराउंडेड बाय 4 एज लेंथ और साइड्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड वन फेस. देयर आर 6 फेस. आप अपने रूम में देखोगे तो इस तरीके से आपको 6 फेस दिखाई देंगे एंड 8 कॉर्नर. नेक्स्ट वन इज BCC. BCC means body centered cubic unit cell. Body centered means the unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of unit cell. Center means this one. Suppose unit cell ये है आपके पास. Atoms are present at the corner. तो सबसे पहले हमने यूनिट सेल बनानी है. तो यूनिट सेल एंड एटम इज प्लेस्ड एट द कॉर्नर फर्स्ट. तो कॉर्नर में हमने रखा है ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 corner and atoms are present at the center of unit cell. ये सेंटर में भी प्रेजेंट होगा. तो फर्स्ट ये सेंटर में प्रेजेंट होगा और सेकंड कॉर्नर में. दिस टाइप ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज कॉल्ड BCC, मींस बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. थर्ड वन इज एंड सेंटर्ड. एंड सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. At center means the unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of 2 opposite faces. Suppose this one is there. This is unit cell. First, unit cell and atoms are present at the corner. First one. Corner is there. There are 8 corners in 1 unit cell. Atoms are present at the corner as well as the 2 opposite face. Suppose one face is this one. This one is one face. Atom is present at the center of one face and another face which is present the just opposite the first one. This is first and opposite is second. At the center of second faces means opposite faces. So this type of unit cell is called end centered cubic unit cell. Next one is edge centered cubic unit cell. Next one is edge centered cubic unit cell. Edge center means atoms are present the unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of each edges of unit cell. So first we will make a unit cell. So this one is called unit cell 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is unit cell. And atoms are present at the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 corners and 12 edges are there. 12 edges are there. देखो, one as center है, this is as side or as, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges. 12 edges and there are 12 edges and 8 corners. There are 12 edges and 8 corners. This is called edge-centered cubic unit cell. Atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of each edge. Edge means side line. This is called edge. आप देखोगे घरों में तो ये side होगा. This is called side length or edge is there. So center of each edges. There are 12 edges in one unit cell. Like this. There are 12 edges and 8 corners. There are 8 corners, 8 corners and 12 edges in one unit cell. Next one is calculation the number of atom in different unit cell. How can we calculate the number of atom? First of all, we know that each corner contributes 1/8 atom because one corner contain 8 unit cell. It is the common of 8 unit cell. आप एक कॉर्नर को देखोगे तो इसमें क्या होंगे? 8 यूनिट सेल होंगे. आप देखो 4 नीचे होंगे और 4 अबव में होंगे. तो आप रूम में देखो, अगर ये कॉर्नर है तो इसके पास में दूसरा होगा, थर्ड वन एंड फोर्थ वन. फोर्थ वन ग्राउंड में दिखेंगे आपको एंड 4 1 कहां दिखेंगे? अबव में, जस्ट अबव. तो देयर आर 8 यूनिट सेल. वन कॉर्नर है जो इज शेयर्ड बाय 8 यूनिट सेल और वी प्लेस्ड वन एटम इन एवरी पॉइंट. तो कॉर्नर में अगर आप रखोगे तो 1 एटम रखोगे, बट 1 एटम is shared by 8 unit cell. It is shared by 8 unit cell. Shared by 8 unit cell. Unit cell. In one unit cell, each corner contributes 1/8 atom. So that is why one corner contribute 1/8 atom. We must have to know. Second one is face. Each face contribute 1/2 atoms because one face is shared by 2 unit cell. Shared by 2 unit cell. आप देखोगे एक फेस को देखो आप तो ये 2 रूम के लिए कॉमन होगा, 1 रूम एंड सेकेंड रूम. तो 1 face is shared by 2 unit cell. Means in 1 unit cell each face contribute 1/2 एटम. क्योंकि हम रखेंगे एक एटम, बट क्या होगा? ये आधा फर्स्ट रूम में आएगा और आधा सेकेंड रूम में आएगा. मींस रूम मींस यूनिट सेल. तो फर्स्ट यूनिट सेल एंड सेकेंड यूनिट सेल. हाफ एटम इज कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय ईच फेस. थर्ड वन इज एज सेंटर. एज मींस दिस वन इज. वी नो दैट एज सेंटर is shared by 4 unit cell. 4 unit cell. ये है आपके पास 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो 1 edge is shared by 4 unit cell. In 1 unit cell, each edge contribute 1/4 atom. In one edges contributes 1/4 atom. Why? Because one edge, we placed 1 atom in each edges, but one edge is shared by 4 unit cell. So that is why each S contribute 1/4 atom in 1 unit cell, per unit cell. ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन है ये है पर यूनिट सेल. एंड ईच बॉडी सेंटर कंट्रीब्यूट्स 1 एटम. ये बॉडी सेंटर है तो ये कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं होगा किसी के साथ, बिकॉज द एटम प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द बॉडी, ये बीच में रखा हुआ है, तो टोटल 1 एटम इज रिक्वायर्ड in each body center. That is why one body center contributes 1/1 atoms. Each body center contributes 1 atom because body center cannot share any other unit cell. ये कहीं शेयरिंग नहीं करेगा, इसके अलावा और कहीं भी इसमें शेयरिंग नहीं होगी. ठीक है, तो इसमें each body center होगा, उसमें 1 atom होगा, और each S में 1/4 एटम, ईच फेस में 1/2 एटम, और ईच कॉर्नर में 1/8 एटम. दिस इज द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन. देन we can calculate the number of atom in simple unit cell. First, simple unit cell means the unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner only is called simple unit cell. There are 8 corners. We know that 8 corners is there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 corners is there, and 1 corner contribute 1/8 atom. 1 corner contribute 1/8 atom. And in 1 unit cell there are 8 corners. 8 multiplied by 1/8 means 1 atom. In simple unit cell 1 atom is present only, because 8 into 1/8 means 1. In simple unit cell there are 1 atom only. Second one is FCC. Second one is FCC. In FCC there are 8 corners and 6 faces. What is FCC? Atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of each face. Or we know that there are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners and 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 faces in FCC. Means 8 corner and 6 faces are there in FCC. And we know that 1 corner contribute 1/8 atom. 1 corner contribute 1/8 atom. And there are 1 atom, 8 atom, 8 corner. Means 8 multiplied by 1/8 means 1. And second is 6 face. So 6 into 1/2 means there are 3 atoms. 3 plus 1 means 4 atoms. The number of atoms in FCC is 4 atoms. Is it clear? Next one is in BCC. In BCC. BCC means atoms are present at the corner. Atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of body or unit cell. तो एक सेंटर हमने बीच में रख दिया बॉडी सेंटर में, एंड atoms are present at the corner. So we know that there are 8 corners. 8 corners and 1 body centers are there. Means 1 atom is placed inside the unit cell or body. And 1 corner contribute 1/8 atom. Or there are 8 corners. Means 1. And in body center 1 atom is placed. So total number of atom is 1 plus 1 means 2 atom is present in BCC. Next one is end-centered cubic unit cell. Next one is end-centered cubic unit cell. End-center means atoms are present at the corner as well as the center of two opposite faces. First of all, atoms are placed at the corner. There are 8 corners in end-centered cubic unit cell. And second one is two opposite faces. The first face is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is one face. Atom is placed, and second one is 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is a one face. Two opposite faces are there. So total 2 faces there and 8 corner is there. The number of atoms is 8 multiplied by 1 by 8. 8 corner is there and 1 corner contribute 1 by 8 atom. And there are 2 face and each face contribute 1 by 2 atom. Multiply 8, 1 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. 1 plus 1 means answer is 2. There are 2 atoms in end-centered cubic unit cell. Next one is edge-centered cubic unit cell. Next one is edge-centered cubic unit cell. Edge-centered cubic unit cell means atoms are present at the corner. So first one, this is a unit cell in which atoms are present at the corner. So first one, we place the atom at corner. So there are 8 corner. And second is center of each edges. This one is one edge. Center of each edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 edges and 8 corners in one unit cell. Means 8 multiplied by 1 by 8 and 12 multiplied by 1 by 4 because each edges contribute 1 by 4 atom. Answer is 8 1 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. So 3 plus 1 means 4 atom. Each edge center contains 4 atoms. Next one is coordination number. Coordination number means the number of atoms touching to a particular sphere or atom is called its coordination number. Suppose this is the arrangement of atom or sphere. So we consider the middle one. This one is the particular atoms or sphere, because on here we will say atom or sphere. Both thing is same. This is called atom or its shape is spherical. तो यहाँ पे हर एक एटम को स्पेरिकली एज्यूम करना है. तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर मींस the particular atom is attached by 2 spheres, 1 and 2. Its coordination number is 2. And in another example is suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what is the coordination number of this type of crystal? तो इसको क्या करना है, मिडिल से कंसीडर करो. ये है आपका, दिस वन इज सेंट्रल एटम एंड हाउ मेनी स्पेयर्स और एटम्स इज टचिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ स्पेयर. 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ दिस क्रिस्टल इज 4. मीन्स the nearest number of nearest neighboring atom is called its coordination number. या number of atom which is touching to a particular sphere. ये corner वाला नहीं लेना इसमें. इसमें कॉर्नर को हमने एज्यूम नहीं करना है, मिडिल वन, राइट। तो दिस इज द लेक्चर नंबर 3। थैंक यू।